What is going on, my party people, on this Thursday? I just want to get this quick video out. I know I'm on a little break, but stay tuned, get them notifications bell ready. In about a week and a half too, we're gonna do the live 5K celebration. At that time, I'll be giving you instructions on what you got to do for the giveaway. It's gonna be simple, nothing's stupid. I was gonna do shoes, but I'm gonna change it up. It's gonna be $300 cash, so it can be easy for everybody. So it's gonna be 3 random winners, be PayPal or Cash App ready. You feel me? Shout out to the fam, PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen. Please go comment, like, subscribe to my sis. She on that road to 1K, and MCFLYKOF, and like I said, PMKICKZ, they on their move to 2K. You feel me? So real quick, I just want to do this video. I just grabbed these out of Foot Locker. Shout out to everyone in number 1. As you can see, these Zoom Freak joints, size 10.5 in men's, 12 in women's. Zoom Freak 1, black, red orbit. Suggested retail price, 130 of them things. These, you can go half a size up or whole size up, because in the toe box is kind of narrow. You can see you got that stamper around there. You got this paper. And it's just let your soul glow. Don't do that again, but hey, you get the thing. Giannis, these kind of dope, kind of the same thing. Bam, bam. Look at them colors. They are on point, man. To me, they feel like the PG3s. Kind of get narrow in this toe box. But as you can see, very dope shoe. Right out the box, the colors pop at you. You feel me? Underneath, you got that Zoom traction. I am my father's legacy. Whoops. All of that stuff underneath. You got kind of like this netted material. You got Giannis Antetokounmpo. I think that's what the name. I hope I pronounced that right. Then on the back, you got that just let yourself. No, never mind. Wrong beat. You got that underneath. Very bright, so they definitely gonna see you from far away on these joints. See on this side, you got Charles and Veronica. So kind of like I said, just like the PGs, got a lot of details to the shoe. Reverse swoosh. Charles and Veronica here. Underneath, I am my father's legacy. Woots on there. Francis, Donis Costas on here. And the same thing on here. These joints actually come with extra laces, which is very dope. Then you see this one actually got Soul Glow. Y'all didn't know that. That's from the movie Coming to America. You got your Nike swoosh on these, so definitely they'll see you coming from a mile away with that patent leather on the tongue. Insole, you got Soul Glow as well. Soul Glow as well here. So I think this is a very well put together shoe. We team late over here, so we get the shoes as we come. I ain't complaining about it, but I think it's a very dope shoe. Definitely glad to add these to the collection. Gonna try to switch up the drops. Can't be Jordan centric. Everybody doing Jordan, so I gotta do something a little bit different. As you can see that on the toe box as well. So on the lit meter, I would give these joints about a 4.75 out of 5. Very dope. I like the theme for this shoe. So you leave a comment suggestion below. No intro, no outro. Just doing this real quick. I am still copping shoes, but I'm gonna change up the cops a little bit. Let y'all know there's other things out there. The price point is good on these. Definitely would be dope for ballers if you're a baller. So thanks for all of that love and support. We'll see where we go from here for 2020. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. You feel me? Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.